Hi everybody. I wanted to take a moment to look back on how we performed in 2025 and to share what's ahead for 2026. Last year was a tougher year for BCHS than the last few years have been. I believe there were three main issues that made it a more challenging year. Firstly, the government's unexpected increase in employers' national insurance contributions. This, of course, was not budgeted and therefore affected our and our customers' finances. Secondly, we saw some price deflation at the back end of 2024, which meant that we sold some products for a lower price in 2025 than we did in 2024. And thirdly, the poor state of the public sector finances in the UK. The public sector is a very important sector to us, and we supply, for instance, a large number of schools, universities and councils. And those customers had budget restrictions which negatively affected what they could spend on areas like cleaning and hygiene products. So even though we sold more units than the previous year, in 2025, our overall sales were the same and basically flat. This meant that unfortunately we missed our overall company profit budget. Some branches did hit their profit branches, so I'd like to say a huge well done to Bristol, Castleford, Glasgow, London City and Croydon branches. There were also many other positives. On sales, we won a large number of new regional customers. We also won some new large national customers. We also retained and signed new contracts with some of our existing largest customers, which protects this business for years to come. All of this should put us in a really good position for the year ahead. On other areas, firstly, we retained our Great Place to Work status and increased our scores on a number of areas. We continue to be a talent-focused business, and I was delighted with the number of internal promotions and the number of new high-impact recruits joining the company. We continue to invest in the business with new premises for Norwich, Birmingham and Carlisle branches. We also continue to invest in our cleaning machinery and cobotics business, which also now has been moved into our new Birmingham branch facility. We ran 5 highly successful innovation and sustainability shows across the UK. We also grew the percentage of our exclusive brand products, and we also continued to develop our range of exclusive brand products so that we continue to grow the sales in this very important area in the years ahead. We've also carried on giving our customers a very high level of customer service, and as a result have increased our overall company Net Promoter Score. We continued to develop our range of sustainable solutions and have also now fitted biofuel tanks at 11 of our 18 branches, meaning that the delivery vehicles operating from these branches will now run on biofuel rather than diesel, and as a result will have a much lower carbon footprint. We also made real differences in our communities by supporting the Hygiene Bank through initiatives like our kick-off workshop, charitable golf day and supplier auction evening, all organised with a fantastic support from our purchasing team. So, looking ahead, as we move into 2026, our ambition is clear: to build on this momentum. So this year you'll see us continue, as we always do, to push really hard to win new customers and retain the ones we have, because BCHS is a sales-led business. Our theme for this year is Make the Difference, because every action we take matters, and together we can deliver something truly special. As a business, we plan to make the difference through, firstly, smart solutions-led growth with ongoing investment and strengthening of our machinery and cobotics business, and continued expansion of the capabilities of our Advantage digital platform. Secondly, ongoing development and growth of our customer sustainability offer, and thirdly, growth in the sales of our exclusive brand products. As team members, I'd like you to think about how you can make the difference through areas such as really using your expertise and skills to add value to our customers, your colleagues and the business. Your attitude, going the extra mile to delight that customer, learning a new skill and being your best possible self. And your impact, whether through sales success, customer relationships, embracing our exclusive brands, or driving sustainability, your actions and impact will ripple across the business. Thanks again for all your support and hard work in 2025, and good luck in 2026.